Notice the powerful mandibles on this carpenter ant. They can chew through solid wood, crucial for their navigation and building their nests. With precision engineering, science prepares to enter a hidden world.
Returned to its domain, the journey begins. Order emerges in the smallest of movements. A doorway leads into a hidden architecture beneath the surface. From light into darkness, a new world takes shape. Only a faint glow reveals the hidden craftsmanship within.
Every worker contributes to the colony's construction. Deep within, an intricate structure begins to reveal itself.
At the heart of the colony, life is constantly in motion. Every tunnel is shaped by countless tiny movements. Communication happens in silence, through touch alone.
Even vertical paths are part of the colony's design.
The colony follows the natural patterns of its environment.
Every fragment removed expands the colony's reach.
Progress continues, even through narrow constraints.
Deep within, the colony reveals its scale.
Here, the future of the colony is carefully protected.
Every movement is part of a larger purpose.
Natural textures define every passage. The ground itself moves beneath every step. Every chamber serves a specific function. Coordination emerges even in crowded intersections.
Depth reveals the complexity of hidden systems.
Deeper layers bring heavier structure and shadow. Even minor impacts ripple through the colony's rhythm.
Every surface reveals the history of construction.
At the core, movement intensifies.
At the heart of the colony, everything connects.
Deeper inside, space narrows with every step.
Vertical pathways connect layers of the colony.
Intersections pulse with organized activity. Excavation leaves behind a trail of transformation. Even the ground shifts beneath its movement.
Nature's patterns guide every passage.
Nature's patterns guide every passage. Every obstacle is part of the workflow.
Progress continues through narrow constraints.
The deeper the colony, the denser its structure.
Resources are processed deep within the colony.
Movement adapts to the flow of the colony.
Even minor collisions ripple through the system.
Every surface carries the mark of excavation. Deeper levels reveal greater complexity.
Life is constantly relocated for survival. Stillness exists within constant motion.
Connections link every part of the colony.
Instability is part of the underground world.
Sharp textures define the deeper tunnels.
Every encounter shapes the journey. Elevation changes the perspective of the colony. Storage and sustenance blend together.
Coordination governs even the busiest paths.
Darkness grows deeper beyond the light.
Even within motion, rest finds its place.
The journey continues deeper still.
At the deepest levels, the colony never rests.
At the deepest layers, space becomes scarce. Even minor disturbances reshape the colony's interior.
Congestion forms naturally in vital pathways.
Movement persists, despite resistance.
Moisture alters the very structure of the colony. Even a single drop changes the environment.
Sharp textures define the colony's deeper paths.
Instability is part of life underground.
Adaptation is constant in the colony.
Stillness exists within endless movement.
Vertical pathways connect hidden layers.
The colony expands in every direction.
Close proximity defines every interaction.
The next generation is constantly guarded. Natural structure guides every passage. Stored resources sustain the colony's life.
Movement adapts fluidly to density.
Every surface reflects constant change.
Care sustains the colony's future.